Let's look at question 5 of the CSEC Mathematics 2020 past paper, January. It says a group of 100 students estimated the mass m grams of a seed. The cumulative frequency curve below shows the result. Alright, that's the cumulative frequency curve. This is the general shape of it. Cumulative frequency, number of students, right? It goes up to 100 because there were 100 students. And then the mass of the seeds are estimated in grams. It says using the cumulative frequency curve, estimate the median. The median. I already copied it here. We're going to look at what the median is like. You're going from 0 to 100. Halfway up is 50. Good. You project across from 50 to touch the curve because it's half of 100. Wherever it touches the curve, you project downwards. You project down. Okay, good. All right. What is that number? You have 3.1, 2. I see that these tiny boxes represent two represent not 2 units, 0.2 units. So you have 3, 3.2, 3.468, and then you have 4. So this looks like 3.2. All right. So using the cumulative frequency curve, estimate the median. 3.2. Let me just make a note of it. So median equal 3.2. I don't know if well, 3.2 grams. Right, put the units. I don't know if I'm going to need that 3.2 later on, so let me put it down somewhere. Then the question goes on further to say find the upper quartile. You need to find the upper quartile. All right, so remember you have 4 quarters. 0 to 100% divided into 25% each, because 25 times 4 is 100. The first quartile or the lower quartile will be 25. The second quartile is a medium at 50. Then the third quartile, the upper quartile, will be 75. So what it says here, you need to find the upper quartile. That means you're going to find what grams that you have. So let's see. The upper quartile is at 75%. Halfway between 70 and 80. Halfway between 70 and 80. And you move across to the curve from 75. Move across to the curve. So you have 75 students. The upper quartile would be 75. Now, what would this be matching? It would be 4.2 for about 4.4 grams. All right. So 4.4 grams for that. After that, they ask for the semi-interquartile range. Semi-interquartile range. So that's the range from the lower to upper quartile. So the lower quartile would be at 25%. 25 is halfway between 20 and 30. You go across, then project down. So in terms of number of students, it would be 75 minus 25, which of course amounts to 50. But in terms of mass in grams, what you're going to do is find the range of these values. So this look like 2.2. Looks like you have a 2.2 there. And this, what did I say it was again? 4.2, if you consider that. 2.2 to 4.2. So the semi-interquartile range is from 25 to 75. In terms of grams, it's 4.2 to between 2.2 and 4.2. When you subtract them, if you subtract them, I should say, what you get is 2 when you do any subtraction here. Now, what else does it say you're supposed to do? You're going to find the number of students whose estimate is 2.8 grams or less. 2.8 grams or less. Let's erase some of these workings. All right. So it says the number of students whose estimate is 2.8 grams or less. So we're going to identify 2.8 grams. 2.2468. 2.8 grams. So we draw our line going up to the curve, then across. So you have up to 40. All right. Number of students whose estimate is 2.8 grams or less. In this case, you have 40 for the students. All right. Now, let's just erase that and see what else is going on with this question. All right, we're going to have part B. What we'll do is just look at part B a little later on.